Welcome to lasa.africa. Today we can show a product assembly of a LSA VGL B13W. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For the first step, you require 1 part 1, 2 part 2s, 4 part 3, the screws. The item does come with an Allen key, but you can use your power tool if necessary. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require part 1 and 4 parts number 3. When assembling, you'll see that there is many holes here. These are all adjustable. You can either put, depending on your mounting style, you can either put it here or you can put it here. We're just going to do it in the middle for now. For the next step, you require 1 part 1, 4 part number 3. Let's assemble. For your next step, you require parts 4 and 5, the anti-tipping. Please refer to our manual on how to install. Thank you. Thank you for watching the process assembly of a LSA VGL B13W. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more for product assemblies, more for products. Thank you.